Hello everyone. How to fill out application form for new PCO accreditation. Doon sa ating PCO online application system, mag-a-apply tayo ng bagong accreditation. Kailangan mag-fill up tayo nitong new application form. So how to fill out this new application form? First, we select the region. For example, Calabarzon. And then select the name of the establishment. For example, and then we answer this portion, website. Kung may website po ang inyong company, lalagay nyo po dito. Kung wala naman po tayong website, you can just put not applicable. So, hindi mandatory ito na gagawa ka pa ng website para lang masagutan mo yan. You can put not applicable. And then, the nature of business of the establishment. Meron ditong drop-down list. At kung ano po ang nature of business, select lang po dito. So, halimbawa, piggery, poultry, animal production. Kung tayo po ay mga laboratory, so pwede nating hanapin dito. Other human health activities, medical laboratories inside and outside of medical facilities. So, depende kung ano po ang nature of business. And then, halimbawa, kung tayo ay gasoline station. So, meron tayo ditong retail sale. Yan. Of liquefied petroleum gas and other fuel products. Yan. You can select that. So, depende kung ano po ang nature ng ating business. Kung tayo ay restaurant. Yan. Select lang natin to. Then, we select the establishment category based on DAO 2014-02. Dalawa po ito, Category A and Category B. Kung naalala natin kung ano yung category ng ating establishment based on Section 5 of DAO 2014-02. For example, Category B. And then, telephone number. Kung tayo po ay mayroong telephone number, put not applicable or put NA if not applicable. Next is the PCO employment status. Meron ditong full-time and others. We select full-time because that is the basic qualification of the PCO. And then the current position in the current employer. So for example, supervisor, or let's say branch manager, or let's say pollution control officer, or for example, safety officer, whatever position in the company, and the number of years in current position. For example, 3 years. O, numero na lang. And then, sa baba, meron na tayong i-upload na mga documents before submitting this application form. Now, we need to submit a duly signed appointment or designation of the PCO to submit certificate of employment and then notarize affidavit of joint undertaking of the PCO and managing head. So this is the application form for new PCO accreditation application. So make sure to fill out the required information and submit relevant documents. So meron tayo ditong button sa pinakababa, submit application button. At kung kumpleto na itong ating information at yung na-upload na mga documents. Submit lang natin yung application. Now, paano ba yung appointment or designation of the PCO? Yeah, merong ina-appoint na mga PCO at nire-require naman ng DNR-EMB na in writing dapat ina-appoint siya. So, merong kailangang i-submit na appointment letter or designation letter. So kung meron na kayong appointment or designation letter, i-submit nyo lang yan doon sa ating application form. So in the end, we need to submit the required documents, the appointment or designation letter at PCO, certificate of employment, and then affidavit of undertaking, and then submit application. Thank you very much, everyone, for listening. I hope you have learned something about the application for PISA accreditation, the completion of the application form. If you want to know more how to fill out application form for renewal, please subscribe to this channel. Please follow. Please share this video. Please like this video. And you are encouraged to make comments, suggestion, and feedback. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day. God bless us all.